In this video, we're going to show you how to install the double trigger kit on your Tippmann 98 Custom Platinum Series marker. You're going to need a 1/8 Allen wrench, and we're first going to start off by removing our right half receiver here. Just go ahead and pop that receiver off. We'll go ahead and remove our trigger guard, set that off to the side. We'll also set our receiver off to the side. And you have your single finger trigger. We're just going to go ahead and remove that. And then go ahead and remove your double trigger kit. You'll have a new trigger guard, larger, so you can actually install your double trigger. We'll go ahead and I usually like to drop that in first. And then from there you can take your trigger return spring out, drop your double trigger on, and go ahead and put your spring back in. Make sure all your pins and everything are seated correctly. And then from there you can go ahead and put your receiver back on. Go ahead and tighten up your receiver bolts here. You don't want to make them too tight, just nice and snug. Go ahead and check your install, and you can see that the double trigger is working correctly. And that is how you install the double trigger kit on 98 Custom Platinum Series.